Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make delicious and sweet cabbage stew. We're going to be going with red and green pepper bell, spring onions, fresh tomatoes, onions and our great cabbage. Let's dive into the stew. Right about now, I'm going to add the meat, chicken. You can use any meat of your choice, but as for me, I prefer using chicken in this recipe. So after adding my chicken, I'm adding my seasoning. I'm adding Knorr cube. I like using Knorr cube. So you can use any cube of your choice, but I like adding Knorr. So after adding the Knorr, I'm going to add curry powder. After adding the curry powder, I'm going to add my salt or spring onions, normal onion, and turn it very well and then cover it to steam. Okay, after that, I'm going to add a bit water to it. So let's go. So I'm going to turn it right now. Turn it very well so that everything will align together, and then after that I'm going to add water to it, a little bit water, so that it will heat a bit, and then I will remove it. After turning it right now, I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to heat very well. Then I'm going to remove it and then proceed for the main stew.